Section 68, subsection 1, Article G of the 1999 Constitution as amended give politicians the right to move from one political party to the other. But the question now na say, wetin go make you move? Now the issue of ideology, discipline and principle abi na your belle or your bank account. After the March 28 presidential election inside our Obodo, Nigeria, and the APC carry first, some politicians from different parts of this country down the crossroad from APC to especially from PDP especially to the APC, from Benue, Edo, Jigawa, Nasarawa, Ondo, Gombe, different states, even reach the city room of the House of Senate. People don't look back, talk, say bye-bye, and cross, enter the APC. The question we want to ask today now say, this cross that they are crossing, all these cross that they are crossing, now the interest of their people, now in them get, have been just their personal interest. My name na Ezugo Chukwuode, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as it concern this matter as it dey hot.
Good morning, Nigerians, and welcome to today's edition of As It Dey Hot. Cross-carpeting issue. Okay, Chukwuode don't launch them, and then make we look at from this angle. With the cross-carpet, for what reason? Because of waiting Chukwuode talk, because of say you get one particular interest for the people they represent, or probably because you won't bring in one new ideology into the system, or because of say over time if you say they cheat you for where you did before, for that reason you won't come cross carpet. And what if the ruling party, the people who are in power now, it's they win this election? The president, we go to hear issues or cases of people defecting. So we don't know where the angles they come from, because it don't be very, very clear now. Say, look, the issue of cross-carpeting don't become trend, don't become tradition, it don't become omenala, it don't become, how you about they call them? It don't become OTD, kini, bile, funyo latima cross-carpet, for people to do the cross-carpet anyhow. And sincerely, from my own heart, the only reason why I feel say people they cross carpet, not because of say they get interest for anybody or for their community. Now because of their own selfish interest. It's as simple as that. We'll go on, Chukwuode.
Our people went there for our house. You selfie join for this discussion. Carry waka go Facebook. We did on top of the Wazobia fan page. Remember, I say I promise you now. Say we get the As It Dey Hot page. We don't package them. When we launch them, all the breaking news as it dey concern anything politics inside Obodo Naija for pidgin language, we go to knock them on top of there. We also knock you with 3 telephone lines. Top them up with 1 toll-free line. And what if we toll-free line? You go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go to pay. We also dey on top of a website. You feel they send us email, we go to check them. They see as things they go for the political atmosphere. And we do on top of Twitter too, at TV As It Dey Hot. When we throw our phone lines open, we go continue the discussion from there. You self go chook mouth and tell us what do you feel about this matter of people crossing the road from different political parties to the party when we say now then win for the presidential election. If you check this thing now, check the way when this, especially these our politicians, that they move. It can't be like say politics of personal interest. No,
Chukwuode, no be say it be like say now it's it be. Now politics of personal interest, their own personal interest, because they don't say okay fine. The federal, since we don't lose on the federal level, which of course is like the biggest level way for the country. Okay, what will we do? Okay, those benefits they get from this government, if you know they get them again once a new government take power. But for that reason, the only thing we do not to do it, not to switch over. So that benefit no go empty, you go continue, and which of course is wrong, because it automatically when they try to tell them say ideology, the issue of ideology, the issue of providing good government for the people or representing the people very well. No, that is, they exist again. With this kind of movement, you probably find it in a couple of people, but from what I don't see so far, okay, when the opposition will take over, when they were struggling, when they were hustling, when they were doing everything to make sure say yes, they stabilize. Where were you all? Why I not think of moving that time? Come be now when I don't say power don't change hand. Na come no soon I go move. Me I no go just spoil the plans of people who get plan for the country. Now me I no go poison their plan. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, but Nkubi, this verse when you the verse.
I the vex because I don't know why. Because
I need to understand because Alhaji Atiku, I wait, me I land now. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, you this talk when you talk, he be like, hey, he don't, me I clear my throat.
He don't do it.
He be like say he don't dey late now because he be like say the thing don't dey hook you for throat.
No,
wait, me I land.
Okay, I dey hear you.
He be like say you dey fear. He be like, out of fear, say, okay, oh, these people, when they come, this is our political party. Oh.
Men are not come spoil like, the interest of the political party.
But when
they not come poison the party.
When Alhaji Atiku Abubakar come up from PDP, go Action Congress that time, una give am presidential ticket. When he lose, he come back, he go PDP, see say the thing no be the way when the thing be. He come back to ACN. Una see allow and contest to become as a presidential aspirant.
But even when they hear rumors say he don't go back to this thing. Shey no be me and you, especially me wey kick against and say make it dey one place, make we know where you dey. Rather than to no dey do what is on there.
Even the G7 governors wey comot for PDP. I go take am now. I go take am. Okay. There be 7. They're PDP. They talk say they get issue. Now waiting we talk. They say they get issue with the then president Chiamo of the APC. That's Alhaji Bamanga Tuku. They be the threatening. Not threat. They be the threatening say if they no allow this thing go the way when they want make the thing go, say they go form new political party within the same party. We know in the newspaper and PDP, the new PDP, they form at that time. But out of these 7, 5 come cross enter the APC. Now when not become APC now, 2 still remain say no be the idea be this. When we they talk say we they fight for new things, it no mean say we will come out because of say we get discipline, we respect the ideology of our party. Uncle B, come out the local tree when they your eye before you want to come out the one when the people why you they fear now? Say people don't they cross come on a party. No be number una they find. You don't they fear now because you they feel say they come spell on a party. I wish you the same.
Chukudi,
I wish you the same.
See, before
everybody
hold on, young man.
Everybody go cross. Fine, cross. People when they cross.
As long as you cross, okay, fine. Come ahead, go ahead. Everything just cross into whatever. But then, waiting, I still want to talk. Say, the aboriginals of this political party.
Which aboriginal?
Hold on.
5 governors went come up for PDP and APC. They don't turn aboriginal.
For this party, we don't win this presidential this thing. See, when I get an ideology, me not just allow anybody from anywhere come poison on our plan. Your philosophy, your ideology will remain your ideology.
Nkubi.
It's as simple as that.
This your statement will fall. I go speak English. It will fall on deaf ears.
It will fall on deaf ears.
Yes.
Make we dey see now.
We not go see anything.
Make we dey see.
Oh,
no. Make we dey see.
We not dey see anything.
We go see am.
We not go see anything.
We go see am.
Una want people take it.
Chukudi, where were you people? Where were your people? Before we win this presidential election?
Where were you people when Rotimi Amechi be speaker for Rivers State House of Assembly under PDP for 8 years? Where were you people when Rotimi Amechi be governor of PDP for 6.5 years?
That was even before we won this presidential seat.
All these people, you go take them. Oh, una go create space for them now. Una don't know what una they invite. See am in the newspaper. PDP, AP members rush as they are rushing in. They are rushing in.
Very, very obvious to us and to Nigerians.
To wish us.
And to somebody like you.
To wish who?
People where they cross carpet, where they jump from one party to another, like where they don't switch over right now. 2 things might be involved.
Which 2 things?
And this is it. We don't state one before. One is it is either they are trying to protect. That is their own selfish interest. Or then they run away from waiting, from being interrogated or being questioned over probably corruption.
And the place where they go run to, the place where they go run to, na APC. The place where they go run to, na APC. How can the gubernatorial candidate,
Chukudi,
how can the gubernatorial candidate of the PDP in Edo State for just 2011 here, person who want to become the chief executive officer of Edo State for just 2011, And this man is the national coordinator of Good Luck to Good Luck campaign organization. He can wake up one day, come talk, say, he be like, say, the wind of change.
What,
the wind
ask
of
yourself
change.
now. Ask
They talk about the wind of change.
Ask yourself. It is a good thing. It is coming from your platform, not from your platform. From your platform. It is coming from your platform. And now show that blood they take run.
3 senators.
Imagine.
3 senators.
I can't.
From Adamawa State. From Adamawa State. They just wake up after March 28th. They say, the wind of change will blow us to APC. See, he did newspaper. PDP, AP members rush to APC. As they come from? As they rush enter Givuna, they will rush you people. They will rush you people.
They will rush you people.
They will rush you people.
They will rush you people.
Not they tell me say they will rush you people.
They point me and they will rush you people.
They will rush you people.
They will rush
you people. You people.
In bold letters.
You people. Who are the people collecting the people rushing? Not you now.
Who are the people kicking against the people before they rush into the people?
Because of discipline and ideology. Hungry people now they rush go on a party now.
Why they be there before?
Because now their pocket they take
why they be there before?
Where Amechi been there before?
No, why they be there before?
Where have Musa Kwankwaso there before?
Don't they give them what?
Where they are there before?
As a matter of fact,
no, these people where they there before?
Don't they first spoil their mind?
Which mind?
Don't corrupt their mind.
This
corruption.
shows that.
How do they find what they will jump put?
This thing don't show. Say what you see? Oga Presido. Oh, good luck.
What are you trying to say right now?
Good luck, Ebele Jonathan. If not, be say the way my body.
No.
I must sing the song.
You
complete.
must finish that song.
Don't command me.
You must finish that song.
I will not. Okay, I'm not singing.
Good luck, Jonathan. Do it.
Thank you very much. When Oga Good Luck Ebele Jonathan release message to Nigeria, he tell them say to my party, this is not a time to mourn. This is, you see, those of us when go command, he get what they call for command. Those of us when go command when we say we learn military tactics. He get what they call the if I talk and you no go understand, I just explain.
Talk now, they hear you.
You no go understand now.
Talk.
Not the time you say make I talk. Who show me make I talk? I will not, okay, I no talk.
Just keep quiet. Just make sure you seal up your mouth. Not even say anything.
You see.
Seal up your mouth. In fact,
Nigerians.
I'll go find Selector for you. Seal down your mouth. No, we'll talk again.
I speak for 150 million Nigerians.
I also speak for 150 million Nigerians.
If you speak for 150 and I speak for 150, no be 300 million.
I speak for 150 million Nigerians.
Nigerians, can you see? It's already destroying our population.
It is this. You're the one destroying. You're the one destroying the population.
I say 150. You should be saying 20 or 30.
You are not serious.
You are not serious.
You are not serious.
You are the unserious person.
It's obvious. You people are not serious.
That's why people are rushing to APC.
Your people are jumping from your party to a party that has already been established on the platform of good governance.
So why are you afraid? Why are you afraid?
Oh, no.
Why are you afraid? Senator Ike Ekweremadu. Oh, Senator David Mark. You hear what the two of them talk? They talk, say, we are going to remain committed to the ideals and the principles of our party. Even though we will remain the last man standing. Me agree, say, our papa don't win election. And even people do
now on this same platform, this same way with your tongue, they sweet, but our papa don't win election. Now that same tongue, that same sweet tongue, where we say, the same papa will say, we know what you talk against them before you win this election. Now that same tongue where you give him a praise and now that same tongue, you could just kuru-kere until you say go pot. Come this side.
Wait, calm down.
Because some pot come this side. Because very soon, now people like when they kick against people airport, go eventually do it. Make a look black, no, let me remain for here. Make myself join them.
In a viable democracy, in a vibrant democracy.
It is not supposed to be so.
We are supposed to have a vibrant and very strong opposition.
Thank you very much.
So that they can protect the interests of the people.
In fact, this way you talk now, Chukudi, this way you talk now, don't show me say yes. You did very intelligent.
Before
you dey intelligent. You've just spoken like an intelligent man. But all this while, your talk don't even, they hold water at all.
You never ever talk true on top of this.
I don't talk true.
I don't talk.
Your lie plenty pass the true way you talk.
Your own lie.
But this true way you talk now.
Your own lie when you dey lie.
This true way you talk now.
Your own lie when you dey lie pass every true way you dey true. Your lie pass every true way you dey true for this show.
Anyway,
you come here, they talk say this thing. People go wake up one day, they say, oh, the wind of change. Imagine the national legal advisor, former national legal advisor of the APC, of the PDP, he come up for Ondo State, he just wake up talk say, wind of change, he won't go, he won't cross, enter APC. People are just concerned about their pockets. And this is not show say, for the 4 years when we say Oga President did here, when they do in best, they struggle to use this country go change. Now these people, when all rush go APC now then they spoil the work.
What was Mr. President doing?
Thank you very much.
What was he doing when all these people were in power? When all these people, they corrupt in government.
Which corrupt in government?
They look at, they spoil in government. When now,
the way don't cross,
you can't get mad, you can't talk.
The way when they don't cross, go APC now. The way when they don't cross, go APC now. Now wetin they go do?
Na lie.
Now wetin they go do?
Information.
Ah!
See.
Oh!
Let me make it very clear to you, Chukwudi.
Betrayers! Betrayers! Betrayers!
Listen. See, APC is a party established under the platform of, that is, people who hold and are intelligent people. You understand?
Wetin you understand? Which one be you understand?
Oh, no,
why
no,
tell me that I don't understand anything?
That is why.
It's a party established for campaign. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar comot from PDP, enter, he jump, una take am. It's a party.
But when he come back to our own, we don't still come back.
Well, we tell him say make him go back to square one. Make him go back to square one. Go back to your word and start again. Atone for your sins, for crossing over. Una take am. Everybody will go, hey, now una don dey fear now. Check una want people.
Fear waiting.
Headmaster.
Fear waiting.
Headmaster dey complain say new children. Headmaster dey complain say new children won't come register for school. Headmaster dey complain. You don't see where headmaster go talk say no. We don't want student again. You don't see where headmaster dey complain. You don't see talk am.
No, they open eyes. Make they worry you.
Now your own eye dey open. This is my natural eye. This is my natural eye.
You're not even ashamed to open your eye and tell me that this eye you are opening, this is your big eye you are opening. Is a natural eye.
They will rush to APC.
Let them rush.
Una don't enter trouble.
But then, wetin go be.
Every
what will be. That development where we don dey find, we will see am eventually. That change where we dey find, we go get am eventually. Nothing. No weapon fashioned against the wind of change. No weapon fashioned against the new development wey Nigeria go experience. Nothing go shake am.
Why you come dey fear now? Say these people that they come on their pocket they find come.
Because it is wrong.
How is it wrong?
Because they are looking for their own self-interest.
When the five governors
protecting their own self-interest, their own personal pocket.
Enter una party nko. Why you no talk say you dey wrong that time? Now my question be that.
I still understand you say one, they might have good reasons for cross-campaigning at that point, but not now that we have had that way we don't get new government. We don't see a new government we want to take over power.
Nigeria,
and I say yes because. This new government, when they come in, let us also follow that wind of a new government. So those benefits they get under this government, we will continue to get on here.
Let me break this down.
Break it down. Let me hear you.
Recently, when I travel out.
To where?
Where do you want me to where?
Travel out to where?
I travel.
All your life, I know say you never travel past if you no go Enugu. Where you serve? If you no go Enugu where we say where be your state, you go where you serve. Don't be for not everywhere. Now these two places, Petakota, you go in here, come back. Where you travel, go. So your in-law place on Doabi. No, tell me because no make people say you travel out to where? You can travel out to Cotonou, no problem. Where else did you travel to?
Why are you against my progress? I say I travel out.
I can't be against your progress because I know you very far too well.
Is it not my out? Is it not my out?
Because I know where the kind of art you out. I know the kind of places you can go to.
Who could be allowed? No bring personality enter this.
No. And I won't sit here and you come before me and before Nigerians and tell Nigerians that you'll be traveling out. Traveling out to where? Where are you traveling out to? I don't feel allow you to confuse Nigerians.
Okay, let's continue.
Travel out to, you must finish.
No, let's continue.
I want to make Nigerians hear where you travel to.
No, maybe continue. Since you don't talk and say, you don't show say that this thing you carry for mind against me.
No.
You allow me to.
If somebody like you talk,
you know whether now Ogun State out, not be out.
But when you say present them, travel out. Because they only travel out. Maybe travel out to London, US, listen, France, and all those. Now the way it sounds. Because from your mouth, I don't say they lie. Now the next way you go tell me, if not because of say I know you. Nigerians do not believe say you don't travel, go one kind big time country. Where you say, you know still pass these 4 walls of this your country. Go ahead.
It's okay. I'm okay.
Are you feeling sober now?
No, I'm okay.
Are you feeling sober?
Just continue with what you talk. Just continue.
No vex.
No. I no vex. I'm okay.
I let you just make
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Continue. I say I travel out. I know. Okay.
Okay,
our people went there for house. We go rush, enter break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it dey hot.
As it dey hot.